morning and welcome back to my ruined house in the eastern Serbia. Actually, autumn has come a bit unexpectedly, but it's okay. We spent the night here in this house. We insulated it a bit, removed all the broken glasses in this room where I live, and put there just a little wood. Also I have a polyurethane foam, but I forgot to buy a device to use it, this pistol. So we will come today to the nearest city to buy it. But anyway, it was not as cold as I expected. And now it's time to work a little bit.
I say we because another friend of mine, Losha, agreed to help me with pouring the concrete for the staircase. Actually, we were supposed to work as a whole squad this weekend. That didn't happen, but more on that later.
This little construction will help us to form the base for the future staircase, for the steps. We will put new boards on it, level them, and then start concreting. That is how it's looking, all the construction being assembled. So yeah, as you can see, we leveled the base of the future step. That means that previous steps were a bit not leveled, but I don't think it's a big deal actually. This hot plate is a gift for my birthday, and I'm really thankful to my friends who brought it to me, because now it's much more comfortable than to use gas balloon as I did before. Well, you might already know how I prefer spending evenings after hard work. I'm again at this hammam.
We filled all the gaps in the house with foam and turned on the electric heater, hoping it would stay warm. By morning, they had forecast rain mixed with snow, but the reality exceeded our expectations.
They promised rain with the snow tonight, but there was a mistake. I can see no rain at all.
All the trees, all the fruit trees are broken because of they were still with leaves and such a huge snow, so they just didn't do that. Oh, it's a disaster, I think, for local people.
Well, unfortunately, we have to evacuate ourselves to Belgrade right now because we just do not have proper clothes. That's my mistake. I did not expect such weather. The forecast tells that at least for 2 days it will stay here, and maybe in the next week there will be warm heat again, and there will be plus 16, plus 18 degrees of Celsius, so I will be able to continue my work, but for the moment, of course not. That's a pity, but at least it was interesting. Bye. And do not forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment.
We came back to Belgrade, so there was no teamwork this time, but as soon as it gets a bit warmer, I will head back to finish what I started. Stay tuned.